This is the Power of the Mind series, the first video. I really have no idea what we'll be going through. My husband is going to take us through this exercise, so please be sure to engage. Do the exercise with me. That way you can go ahead and record your own results, which means you should have paper or a notebook and pen or pencil ready to go, because at the end of the video, well, not the end of the video, but the end of the exercise, my husband will have us ask some questions that we are to answer. Did I cover everything?
Ask some questions that
we'll have me ask questions that we should answer.
You have to ask myself questions and I will answer them myself?
Trying to make sure I've got everything covered. Did I get everything covered?
I guess so.
Okay.
We'll find out. Well, if they're not ready, they should pause the video now and go get their tools, right?
Yes.
And that they should have their eyes closed. There you go.
Okay.
They should sit in a comfortable position.
Should their feet be flat on the floor?
Doesn't have to be.
Okay.
Just comfortable position. You know, hopefully they're not laying down. They could lay down if they want to, actually, right? As long as they don't fall asleep.
Okay.
And then, of course, somewhere where they won't be disturbed. So I would suggest any devices that would interrupt, like a telephone, cell phone, anything like that. Maybe put in a different room. Don't even put it on vibrate, because once it vibrates, it will interrupt.
Correct.
The process itself. So I suggest put it in a different room altogether. And then just relax and follow the directions. The key thing here is to make sure that each individual is engaged in the exercise. If someone is just watching the exercise, it doesn't benefit them at all. You really want to engage in it. This is an exercise that's meant to be implemented. That's how you learn from it. And so we strongly encourage you to partake in this exercise. How about that? And if you're not ready right now, then I would suggest that you pause it. Don't play it, just pause it until you're ready to partake. Otherwise, again, it loses its effect.
All right. Also, because this is a multi-video series, like 3 or 4 videos, then with each video, there will be certain exercises that we do, and at the very end, all of the results will be brought together with a conclusion, which I'm looking forward to. And again, I have no idea what we're about to do, so I'm doing this with you.
And then, of course, everything will be tied together. It will be explained it will become clear why participating in the exercises is key to understanding why these exercises are being done. Okay? It will be a huge benefit for everybody, but only if everyone partakes. Okay, so that's the key.
Oh, and one more thing. This first video is being posted on YouTube and in the Facebook group, but the rest of the videos will only be posted in the Facebook group. So if you are not a part of the Facebook group and would like to continue with these exercises, please be sure to join. It's called Clearing, Healing, and Guidance.
That's because the Facebook group is more private, right?
Yes, it's very private there, and you can go ahead and post your results there and know that it's just in a very safe space.
Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Should be fine. All right. So here we go. Go ahead and close your eyes. And then take a deep breath. And then exhale slowly. And just relax your body. Or let your body relax. Take another deep breath. And then exhale. Take another deep breath. And exhale. Your body is really relaxed now, right? Okay. You are in a room. In this room, you have other individuals with you. Suddenly, a pet animal enters the room. This pet animal decides to stay in the room. The pet animal suddenly leaves the room. Okay? Open your eyes. The exercise is done. Now we go to the questions.
The questions. Okay. Question number 1.
You should read them slowly. Make sure that they want to pause the video and then get their paper and pencil, pen, writing tool.
Okay, you may pause the video in between questions as well to make sure that you've written down the whole question, or even go back to make sure you write down the question. They're short questions. Number 1. What room were you in? Number 2. Who was in the room with you? Number 3. What were you doing in the room? Number 4. What pet animal entered the room? Number 5. Describe the pet animal. Number 6. What happened once the pet animal entered the room? Number 7. How did the pet animal get into the room? Number 8. What happened that caused the pet animal to leave the room? Number 9. How did the pet animal leave the room? Thank you very much for watching the video. Please record your answers. You may share them in the Facebook group. That's where we encourage you to do so. And to continue.
Or they could record a video of themselves.
Or you could record a video of yourself answering the questions.
And if they don't want to be seen, they could just record their voice, right?
Yes, you could just do an audio recording.
So I think that would be better than just posting. It would be nice to just, or typing. It would be nice to just record it, either just audio or video and audio, and post it so that it can be compared, the results can be compared with everybody else's as we go along.
Okay. Again, the rest of the series will be in the Facebook group, Clearing, Healing, and Guidance. You can find more of our videos on YouTube at 190 Vision, or you can follow us also on Instagram at 190 Vision.